Weather from where you live.
Well, we had a little bow develop up here near Chicago, produced a 69-mile-per-hour wind gust at Midway Airport, not O'Hare, Midway Airport in Chicago. This dove southeastward, affected Jasper, Pulaski, Fulton, and Miami counties today, all the way through southern Michigan with large areas of sporadic wind damage. And that bow has now passed Fort Wayne and is now moving out of our viewing area and now moving east of Marion, Indiana. But the big wild card this evening is our new storm is going to form on the tail end of this. And you can see a few cells here from Logansport to Peru. And again, we still have the watch in effect for this area, northern half, until 9 p.m. So we may have a few storms that try to develop from Peru all the way back to north of Monticello. And if they can get going, they still could be severe and then affect mainly the eastern half of our viewing area. That does bear some watching here this evening. Now, current temperatures, though, vary a lot. Now, up to the north where it's rain cooled, again, we had that little bow slide through with the wind and the rain and lightning. It's 79 at Rochester, but it's 90 at Monticello, so there's a little boundary right here. Notice it's 80 at Logansport, where we've had a few showers around. The boundary's right here, so again, we're still going to have to watch that for the evening. 86 in Lafayette. Now, notice it's a little cooler in our southern counties. These are leftover clouds from storms we had in Illinois last night. I'll talk more about that here in just a second. Current heat index, though, it feels like 104 at Monticello, 99 Lafayette, 88 Winnemac, and 94 Crawfordsville. So it's incredibly tropical outside, even though it's been just a little bit cooler today. We had a high of about 85 to 90 area-wide. Notice this bow right here with widespread damaging winds coming through Illinois and Missouri this morning. Right there, progressing southeastward. All the debris or leftover cloud cover from this helped to keep part of our viewing area a little cloudy today. I know here in Lafayette it was a pretty cloudy day today. That helped to stabilize things a little bit. And also behind this bowing line of storms, we had what's called a meso-high. It's a little weak area, high pressure. Causes sinking air motion. So we just didn't see a lot of storm development. Lafayette area points west and south today. It was all up north. So that's really the main reason behind that this afternoon. But FUTURECAST does indicate on the tail end of those storms, a few more storms forming during the evening hours. Right there, that is later on this evening. So we're going to have to watch this. FUTURECAST indicating right on the tail end of that bow, we may have another little line of storms that tries to develop all the way back close to Lafayette. So again, we'll keep an eye on it. That pulls away, and then some areas of fog overnight. And then tomorrow, it heats up. Highs around 91, the heat index upper 90s, and we watch a line of storms potentially here in Illinois. And this could affect us towards the evening hours. And if it does hold together, it could very well bring some severe weather to us tomorrow evening and perhaps another round of storms later on tomorrow night, early Tuesday morning. Very active weather pattern continues. So forecast tonight, though, 70 areas of fog. Again, a few storms through these evening hours. 91 tomorrow, partly cloudy. Late in the day, we'll watch the potential of some severe weather in the forecast and more storms as we get into the early part of the week, even some severe weather before we may actually get a little bit of relief by late next weekend.